Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your daily English podcast. I am Lisa. Today, we are talking about a very powerful idea: invest in yourself. What does invest mean? When you invest money, you put money into a bank or a business so it can grow and give you more money later. To invest in yourself means you put time and energy into your health, your mind, and your skills so you can be happier and stronger in the future. Our expert, Paul, is here. He will give us a simple plan using the best English words. Welcome, Paul.
Hello, Lisa, and a big welcome to our listeners. This is the most important investment you can make. If you feel tired or stuck, it is time to invest. We will use the simple analogy: you are a house. Your body is the foundation of the house. It must be strong. Your skills are the tools inside the house. They help you work. Your friends and family are the garden. They need care. We have 6 main keys to making your house perfect. Key 1, the foundation, health. Key 2, the tools, skills. Key 3, the garden, relationships. Key 4, the roof, money and future security. Key 5, the architect, small decisions. Key 6, the banker, positive talk.
I love the house analogy. We must keep our house strong. Let's start with the base, the foundation. Key 1 is the foundation. This is your health. If your foundation is weak, your house, your life, cannot stand strong. We focus on 3 things: sleep, food, and movement.
To invest in your body, you must use these simple action words. Investment A, sleep, the repair time. Rule: you need 7 or 8 hours of sleep every night. Action: I must sleep early tonight. Make it a rule. Self-talk: sleep is the best investment for my brain. Investment B, food, the fuel. Rule: your body needs good fuel, not bad fuel. Eat fruit, vegetables, and water. Action: I will eat 1 fruit today. Start small. Self-talk: good food gives me energy to think. Investment C, movement, the maintenance. Rule: you must move your body every day. You do not need a gym. Action: I will walk for 10 minutes. Simple and easy. Self-talk: movement makes me feel happy and strong.
When you feel tired or sad, ask yourself, did I invest in my foundation today? Key 2 is the tools. These are your skills and knowledge. These are investments that help you earn more money or find a better job later.
You can never lose knowledge. It is the safest investment. We focus on 2 areas: language and job skills. Investment A, language, the communication tool. Rule: you need to practice English every day. Even 10 minutes is an investment. Action: I will read 1 page in English. Action: I will say 5 sentences out loud. Investment B, job skills, the work tool. Rule: what new skill does your job need? Learn that 1 thing. Action: I will watch 1 simple video about computers. Action: I will ask my boss 1 question about my next skill. Investment C, interest, the joy tool. Rule: learn something just for fun. This is an investment in your happiness. Action: I would try to draw 1 picture. Learn a fun hobby.
The simple phrase for this is, I am learning something new today. This means you are growing. Key 3 is the garden. These are your relationships with friends and family. Your garden needs care, and sometimes it needs to lose bad plants.
Good relationships make your life rich. Bad relationships drain your energy. Investment A. Water the good plants. Time. Rule. You must spend time with people who make you feel good. Action. I will call one kind friend today. Action. I will listen to my mother talk. Investment B. The thank you note. Kindness. Rule. Use simple words to show people you appreciate them. Action. Say to a friend, "Thank you for helping me. You are kind." Investment C. Pruning. Cutting the bad. Rule. Pruning means cutting off the bad plants. You must spend less time with people who make you feel bad or sad. Action. I will politely say no to one bad invitation. Self-talk. My time is valuable. I choose kind people.
Relationships are a two-way investment. You give care and you receive happiness back. Key 4 is the roof. This is your money and future security. A good roof protects your house from the rain. We focus on saving money and planning.
We are not talking about being rich. We are talking about being secure. Investment A. The small deposit. Saving. Rule. You must save a little money every week. Action. I will save $5 this week. Start small. Self-talk. This money is my future freedom. Investment B. No debt. Rule. Debt means you owe money to someone. Try to pay off small debts first. Action. I will pay a small debt today. Investment C. Future plan. Rule. Think about one simple thing you want in the next year. Action. I want to buy a new bicycle next year. Set a clear, small goal.
The goal here is peace of mind. When your roof is secure, you feel peaceful inside your house. Key 5 is the architect. The architect makes the plans. This is about making small, consistent, good decisions every hour of your day.
Your life is built by many small choices, not one big choice. This is the habit of investment. The stop and think rule. Before you do something unplanned, like looking at social media for 1 hour, stop and ask a simple question. Question: is this a good investment of my time? Yes or no answer. The 1-minute rule. If a task takes less than 1 minute, do it immediately. This invests in your future time. Action. I will wash this 1 cup now. Saves time later. The forgiveness rule. If you make a mistake, do not punish yourself. Forgive yourself and make the next choice good. Self-talk. I made a mistake, but the next choice is mine.
The key word is consistency. Doing small, good things every day builds a strong house. Key 6 is the banker. The banker checks the money. This is your inner voice checking your emotional balance. We must be kind and positive.
You must be your best friend. Your inner voice should only speak with positive affirmations, strong, good words. The credit check. Every morning, check your emotional credit. Affirmation 1. I am valuable. Affirmation 2. I am capable of change. Capable means you can do it. Affirmation 3. My effort is enough. The mistake deposit. When you make a mistake, do not withdraw confidence. Deposit kindness. Self-talk. I learned something from that mistake. This is a good lesson. The review of gains. End the day by naming 2 investments you made today. Example, I invested in my health. I walked. I invested in my skills. I studied English.
The banker never judges you. The banker only helps you grow. Paul, this was the ultimate guide to self-investment using our wonderful house analogy. Let's review the 4 most important investments: foundation, sleep and movement, tools, learn 1 new skill this month, garden, call 1 kind friend, and roof, save a little money.
Start small. Choose one thing from this lesson and start today. Your future self would thank you for the investment.
Your homework is to choose 2 investments you will make tomorrow. Write them down using simple English and the word I will. Example 1, I will sleep 8 hours tonight. Example 2, I will read 1 English paragraph. Thank you for listening to your daily English podcast. You are a valuable person. Start investing. Until next time, invest wisely and be well. Bye.